Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today we will share with you one of our favorite recipes. This meat is so tender and succulent, it literally melts in your mouth. It is a special delicacy served at birthday parties, feasts and weddings. If you haven't tried it yet, you're definitely missing something unique. Our recipe for today is delicious beef tongue roast. Step 1. Preparing the marinade. Take half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1.5 inch piece of cinnamon stick, 8 cloves, 1 inch piece of ginger, 12 cloves of garlic. In a mixer grinder, add all the ingredients. Cut the ginger and garlic into smaller pieces before adding it in the mixer. Add 3 tablespoons of Goan vinegar. If Goan vinegar is not available, apple cider or palm vinegar can be used. Grind to a paste. Our ground paste is ready. Step 2. Marinating the tongue. Take 1 kilo of beef tongue without the skin. Remove any leftover skin and wash the meat well and apply 1 teaspoon of salt. Take a fork and make some holes in the meat before marinating. This will allow the marinade to penetrate deep inside and get absorbed easily. Add the ground paste. Apply the paste all over. Cover and keep aside for at least 3 hours or overnight in a refrigerator. Step 3. Cooking the tongue. Take 1.5 inch piece of cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, 2 green cardamoms, 1 inch piece of ginger cut into pieces, 4 red Kashmiri chilies which are broken into pieces, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Take 3 medium-sized onions which are sliced, 2 medium-sized tomatoes which are sliced. Place an open thick-bottom pan on medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the cinnamon sticks. Add the cloves, black peppercorns, green cardamoms. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Add the cut pieces of ginger. After a minute, add the sliced onions. Stir frequently to prevent burning.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Now add the broken pieces of red Kashmiri chilies. Once the onions turn translucent, add the meat. Remove the onions and spices from the bottom and spread them around the meat.
If you found this recipe interesting, do press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
Cooking the meat for 12 to 15 minutes will lock in the juices and make it tender and flavorful. Also turn the meat pieces so that all the sides are cooked. To reduce the cooking time, you can cook the tongue in a pressure cooker, but ensure that there is sufficient water to prevent the meat from sticking to the bottom of the pan. After 12 to 15 minutes, add the sliced tomatoes. Add the remaining marinade after rinsing with little water. Cook for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. You will now need to cover and cook for around 1 hour. Occasionally turn the meat pieces over so that all the sides are properly cooked, and keep adding little water as and when required to prevent the meat from sticking to the bottom of the pan. We added around 1 cup or 250 ml of water. After around 1 hour, check to see if the meat is cooked by inserting a fork. The fork should slide in easily. Remove the meat once it is cooked. Step 4. Slicing the tongue. With the help of a sharp knife and fork, cut the tongue into medium thin slices. Now you can help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also enjoy our detailed step-by-step Goan recipes. The tongue slices are now ready for our last step. Step 5. Preparing the tongue roast. Place the pan containing the gravy on medium heat and bring it to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. In the boiling gravy, add the meat slices and stir.
If you found this recipe interesting, do press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
Add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Add half a cup or 125 ml of water. Cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes or until the gravy thickens. If you have any suggestions, questions or feedback, please write to us in the comments section, as we would love to hear from you. Check for salt, spice, sweetness, sourness and add if required. We added half teaspoon of Goan spice powder. For the recipe to prepare Goan spice powder, press the drop down link on the top right hand corner of your screen. This link is also provided in the description box. This spice powder will overall enhance the taste of the dish. Once the oil separates, the meat should be ready. If you prefer less gravy with your beef tongue, you can cook for some more time without covering. You can enjoy this tender and succulent beef tongue roast with rice, bread or chapati. You could even make a quick sandwich, or better still, simply enjoy it on its own. Delicious beef tongue roast is ready. Do let us know if you liked this video, and see you soon with another interesting Goan recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.